Hi, this is Jackie with WTI.
I was looking for a way to protect the hardwood floors in my apartment from my metal furniture feet, and I found the easiest, best way to do that with these CasterMaster little round 2x2 rubber discs. They simply slide under your furniture feet, whatever furniture you have, and that's it. Your furniture is going to stay in place, it won't slide around, and it also won't scratch the floor. They're so simple to use, really easy and effective to protect your floors, whether it's tile, hardwood, any floor you have.
Simply slide it right under the furniture feet and you're good, you're done. They help prevent your furniture from sliding. If you have a table, a couch, a bed, piano, anything that you have, dresser that you don't want sliding around the floor.
You can see how much nicer they look than these water bottle caps that I had before.
Again, this is Jackie with WTI, and I highly recommend the CasterMaster rubber floor protector discs. But that's just my point of view.